yes guys, I'm here at the NEGRIL Hills Golf Course. As you can see, it's right over there in the distance. This is where I used to work. That was my last job before leaving Jamaica. And man, I really love this job. The social aspect. You're working with all these golfers and you're there, you're having fun, you're driving the golf cart, and it's just free. You're just free. And I really, matter of fact, it was one of my best jobs ever. I really love it. I met a whole lot of rich people out there hitting balls on the range, businessmen, just caddying for them. I used to be a caddy. Actually, I was caddy number 9, the original caddy number 9 when this golf course just opened up. Isn't that pretty? I was caddy number 9. I don't know who got caddy number 9, but I used to be the original caddy number 9. As you can see, NEGRIL Hills Golf Club. And you have your road right there leading towards NEGRIL. This is like 15 minutes out of NEGRIL. So I'm just here. I'm gonna go over there and check to see if any of my fellow workers are still working. Guys, we are just now driving up the hill and we are heading towards a clubhouse. So we have a lot of greenery all over there. We have pond. What do you look like? It's a fishing pond over there. As you can see, guys, we have nice places. We have hazard, sand traps, and all of those places. I used to be a caddy, so I know a little about golfing like that. And we are approaching the clubhouse. So this is the clubhouse right here. Up on the NEGRIL Hills. And look at your view to the road over there. So that's nice. Golf cart and the balls and all of those things. The caddy shop, the pro shop. And here we have all the golf carts. So we used to have the caddy shop where we used to just stay there until our numbers are called, and then we will just run on up and grab our players' golf bags and stuff and head on out to play. This will be the clubhouse right here. Nothing much has changed. The fairways are over there. And now I'm just walking down to the shop, the pro shop, to see none of my friends.
No, sir.
Yeah, man. What a wagwan!
You tell me wagwan soon now. Because some money come, girl.
Oh my God!
How much is that, man?
How much here? How much? 120.
120.
Just a tell me, I original caddy number 9.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nobody here.
I want caddy number 9 now.
You don't know. We are number 5.
What's the way I work now?
You don't know him?
You see that caddy?
No, me have supervisor grounds.
Where I say?
Me come back in at this 5 years, me left for about 14 years.
So when
Brenton there to make a know, you know. But
yeah.
he lives in Florida.
Yes.
When he play, last week he played one day since week. Brenton. Last week he played.
Go up to Sharon.
Sharon up there, Sharon did it on file, you know. Yeah, man, only see there, right?
Why see them? Why?
Only see there, I don't know, baby.
Man, why you? You can't butter, man.
Oh, look at man, look at him.
Yes! What Teddy them?
Teddy work a trial.
Trial?
Yeah, it's a trial.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Dean and you, they're fine.
Everybody gonna Paris.
They're fine.
Man, when I come up here one time, I try to come over and the gate closed.
So what? When if your friends come back?
No. They are 3 months ago.
The brand,
Yes.
Dan, you know Dan, right?
Dan, she's still there.
Dan's still there, yeah.
So she don't listen now. You still at the candy shop?
Dan come today, but Dan's still working. They're friends sometimes, some faceless one here.
Man, let me tell you people then. Guys, this is Pata. Hard worker, man. What are we used to be candy up here? Yeah, man.
Right now, the mash up,
the mash up, I say, you know, look. Who? Yeah, Horror dead.
Brian, there's something there. You remember Brian?
Yes, Brian,
Brian, there's something. Cinnamon Hill Golf Course, a mobile.
What?
Can you tell me?
Well, I tell me, pass here one day, I'm sitting at the gate, lock away, shut down. Yes.
Oh, COVID?
Yes.
Yeah, man, it's not early then.
No. So who decide where in our office?
Yeah, man.
Remember I heard from Holland, what's his name again?
Kerry.
Yes.
Kerry, I'm Miss Mary.
Miss Mary.
I'm Miss Kerry, I'm getting my number, I'm going to call it up to her.
Yeah, alright, go on. Are you there? I share a number.
Hold on. Go on.
Yeah, Kerry, what go on, man? You don't remember me, though? You don't remember original Kerry number 9? Me and Sharon used to be good friends. Good, we just can't check out you guys, but you guys, nobody here, them me know no more. Only Pata, me can't see Pata. Yes. We're good, man. We're good. And nice to hear you, boss.
Yes. I mean, baby. Still not back up.
Alright. So here we go, guys. We are getting ready.
NEGRIL is, man. Good old days.
NEGRIL is for Pata.
Foundation, Caddy.
Foundation.
Big up, Sonia.
Number 9.
Big up. Original, girl.
Boy, you know say best job. You say Pata best job. Me love it. Boy, I'm most fun me. I tell everybody say best job this me ever have. When me free you out there. Alright, Pata, take care.
Yeah, man.
Go down and go and come back. Alright.
Alright, we take care.
Remember say I go link up with other people.
Yeah, man. Guidance, man. I got to go there, man.
Yeah, man. Zoom. You can't go no further, that's it.
What is your phone and go on the tree? Your old phone could go forward.
And Mr. Rooster. Mr. Rooster gone to bed now, bedtime. Guys, this is the Jamwest property, and this is the kiddie section. So you have all of these slides and sprinklers, but it's early in the morning, so there's nothing going on. Maybe later on down in the day. And this is what this surrounding look like, guys. This is the racetrack over there. It's famous for racing, bike racing, car racing, and all of those things. We have like the horseback riding further down, and also the ATVs. It's very calm and beautiful. It's Jackshell Hill down in Old Hope, close to Little Bay, close to NEGRIL. and it's on the outskirts. So guys, you can come on down. If you visit Jamaica, just take a trip down and just see what it's like down here in Old. Yes, people, we're in the Jamwest Old Hope attraction. Look over there, you can see the surround and everything. So just come on down to Old Hope. Don't have to be in NEGRIL all the time, guys. Look what we have here in the country area, Old Hope. This is the famous Jamwest. Look at, bring your family down. Look at the water slide. Yeah. Guys, look over here. This is your restaurant, guys.
That's the go-kart racetrack.
This is where you have your bike racing, your car racing, and all of that. Big things going on over here in Old Hope. Westmoreland, like 6 miles out of NEGRIL. Wow. And as you can see over there, guys.
Kilometer.
What we have over there,
That's still the racetrack.
I still the racetrack over
Yep.
there?
Very long.
This is really big. But this is where they race.
Yes.
Wow. Can you imagine, guys? This is Old Hope. Old Hope. Racetrack. Look at the scenery. Green.
Look here. Minus the
Oh man, I can't believe this. This is a place where I was chased. This used to be all wilderness over here. Bushes.
bushy.
And somebody had a vision, and look what we got here now. We have a restaurant. Events coming up pretty soon. This is the place to be, guys. If you're ever in Jamaica, like I said, and then we
Okay,
do
let's show.
lots of activities over here. Lots of things to do. And this is just the beginning, because it goes all the way to the back over there towards Salmon Point. Then we have Little Bay over there. We have Brighton. We have NEGRIL. Can't get it better. This is the evening. It's about like 6 o'clock now. It's getting a little dark. But activities going on over here. Everything in one place. Come on down, take the 4 bus on down. You can get your dinner in the kitchen. Don't worry about lunch, about food. It's right here. Everything is here. Bring the family down, the kids. Come on now. Look at your area.
There's the
Right.
stands. And put it that far so nobody not get injured.
Yeah. So that's the grandstand over there where people sit over there. Man, look
And
at
that's why
tires.
they-
Look over there. Those are tires that burnt out.
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
There's some more here.
Look at tires, guys. These are all tires that cars burnt out on the racetrack. And we have the truck coming down there.
Move that. I'm at the alright, down the kitchen. That's
That's the Jamwest truck, guys, if you want to go to the zoo area. Jam culture tour. So if you get here and you get on that truck, then it's going to take you all through the property. Hello. Now you can see, guys, this is the racetrack.
starting line.
It starting is over there.
No, here.
That's the finish up.
This is the starting.
So if you have the car, come on down with your car or your bike and just enter the race. Wow, look at the burn out tire. All tires. Wow. I wonder when I'm going to start the events again.
We don't have
So
to
what's that one over there? Is this a racetrack over there?
Oh,
Yeah,
That part over
one that
there?
they go around.
Yes.
Can this one go around like that?
yes.
Is this something like, let's see, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, this was all woodland, bushes.
Like over there.
Yeah.
But now we look like this.
And look at this guys, in the middle of nowhere. This beautiful property, Jamwest racetrack. And you get the zoo. They are expanding. Now we started out with the racetrack. Now we have a zoo. We have the kids area, the pool and all of that for the family.
Line.
We have zip liner. And it's just growing. You're close to Salmon Pine. Those of you that are abroad,
And
you're
people
close to Salmon Pine, you're close to Little Bay.
people who like to see the near to Little Bay.
And the sea is right over there. You can even do horseback riding in the sea, and
yes,
also
and
the dirt
ATV.
bike. They have the dirt bike.
Yeah, ATV.
So it's a lot going on over here, guys. Don't have to be in Negril all the time. It's right on the outskirts of Negril, like 6 miles out of Negril. Get a tour, your hotel, from your hotel, and just come on over with the family and enjoy. Wow. This is really happening in my hometown. My hometown, Old Hope.
It's a beauty.
Man, it's just gonna get better. That's all I can say. It's only gonna get better. It's growing, and this is. So those of you abroad sitting there, you better come on down and get a piece of the pie. Come and grab some land, buy a piece of land, and put up some form of business there. For this place here, Jamwest, we're gonna put.
Here comes the bike.
On the map. Trust me. So if you are a visionary and you can see, you better come on down and build something. Whether a house, a guest house, a restaurant, something.
Oh,
Before it's too late. Jamaica is still nice. No matter what they're saying, it is still nice and it is growing. So what do you have on? So that road take you all the way to Salmon Pine?
yes, ma'am.
Wow.
And it's also still
Guys,
part
we're
of
in the
the
middle of
racetrack.
nature here, guys. The bushes. Look at the scenery.
If you notice, nobody can come over the mirror part here.
Yeah.
So when time no car or nothing get loose, nobody get hurt.
Wow. Oh man, guys, this is big. I've been hearing about Jamwest, and now I'm here, and I can see for myself. Big things going on. Old Hope is on the map. Who knew?
One thing to say though, if you're afraid of heights, don't look that side.
Where? The zip line?
Yep.
It's not in high. It's not high.
Not that high, but afraid of heights, don't look that way, people.
Like they have a lot of donkeys passing through. Animals and everything. How far are we going? I think it's turn right here. Wow.
She's running left me.
Friend. And if I have on my sneakers, I'll be running like hell up the street here. I feel like running. Wow, I feel like running. I feel like dancing.
Feel
The
like
nice
running.
breeze blowing at me. Fresh, nice air. No pollution. Country. This is what I like. I like country. The nice shrubs.
And the
like
time cool.
greenery.
Time cool.
The time is so cool. It was a little hot earlier, but now it's so cool and nice. Get a nice little stroll up the street. Guys, I'm walking the Jamwest restaurant. Can you believe that? Man.
Here comes the next bike.
Coming up the street. So guys, if you come here, you're gonna be mingling with the locals. No
We shan't come
problem.
out the road at the same ride.
This is where everybody's driving, nobody driving. That's why they abandoned the other road over here.
Oh, over here, sir?
There used to be a road down that way.
Oh. But you see why then?
Riding through here now, so
Yeah.
everything just kind of blocked up.
Yeah. But you see here, so why they not ride on the tar part? They're not allowed to do that. So you have a little cutout for them ride. Pass the truck them and go on.
Boy, I can't believe it. That tire, man. You can burn out all these tires.
You should, sometime when you're in your home, you just hear.
Wow.
Real nice.